In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign Witness, Docusign Tutorial 2026, 5 minutes. If you need a document signed with a witness, Docusign makes it straightforward, and I'll walk you through the exact flow. Start by logging into your Docusign account, and from the home screen, choose Start to create a new envelope. Click Upload and select the file you want to send. Give it a moment to process so Docusign can prepare it for recipients and fields. In the Add Recipient section, locate your signer. Open the recipient drop-down for that signer and choose Add Witness Group. This creates the witness role that's linked to your signer. You'll now see two choices. You can either enter the witness's information yourself or allow the signer to provide their witness's details when they sign. Pre-filling the witness can save time and avoids routing delays. Letting the signer supply a witness works well if you don't yet know who will be present at signing. Be sure your witness meets any legal or policy requirements in your area. For example, they should be an independent adult and present to observe the signature. If you don't see the Add Witness Group option in your account, no problem. Set your signer to needs to sign, then add another recipient and designate them as a witness. This creates the same signing roles using a slightly different path, and it's commonly used when the witness feature isn't exposed in the dropdown. Next, move forward to the field adding screen. At the top, use the recipient selector to choose the signer and drag their signature, name, and date signed fields onto the correct lines in the document. Switch the recipient selector to the witness and place the witness's signature, name, and date signed fields where the witness should complete them. Double check that each field is assigned to the correct role. Matching colors in Docusign make this easy to verify. Clear labeling on your document, such as signer and witness, also helps reduce questions. Once your fields are finalized and you initiate the request, Docusign routes it automatically. The signer receives it first. After they sign, the document is sent to the witness. The witness will verify their information as prompted and then complete their signature. When the witness finishes, Docusign marks the envelope complete and sends the finalized document to all parties for their records. That's it. You've set up a document with a witness in Docusign. Keep your workflow smooth by confirming recipient emails, placing all required fields, and aligning the witness role to your local requirements.